Install ABSS MYOB. This video is to demonstrate how to install MYOB program. Copy the download link provided by Lobster Limited and paste it on your address bar of your browser. The download will begin. It is a zip file and you have to unzip it. If you don't have that link, go to our website, myob-hk.com, go to download, and go to MYOB trial download to download your trial version. It is the same as your original version. Go to Show in Folder. After you unzip the file, you can go here, right-click with your mouse, and then go to Run as Administrator to start the installation. If you don't see the Run as Administrator, you may probably not unzip your file, or you have some question, ask your administrator for help. Yes, click Next. I agree the terms in the agreement. Next. Choose Typical. If you want to change the path to where the program installed, click Browse. Otherwise, click Next and install it. The installation now begins. It takes about a few minutes to finish. Oh, cool. Click Finish. If the installation is successful, you can see the ABSS MYOB icon, purple in color, in your desktop. Thanks for watching.